Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam, for those who don't know me. And today we're doing something just kind of simple, straightforward, I'd say. Fall has pretty much come to an end. I don't know where maybe you live or where you're from, but again, I'm from Canada, in Toronto. And it snowed. Yeah. Beautiful for Christmas. Not so much when you're not prepared. I am now. I got my winter tires on, so I'm ready to go now. But I was not prepared when it officially fell. So I'm all prepared. We're good to go. So make sure to get your winter tires on if you haven't already. If you don't get snow, then obviously you don't, I don't know where I was going with this. Okay, so today's video is more about like that transition between Halloween, Remembrance Day, and like Christmas time, in a way where like some people go immediately hardcore, like take down all those decorations and put up those Christmas ones like immediately. I'm not that fast transitioning. I like to take my time and take things down, live in the space without any holiday themed stuff, to be able to work up and brainstorm just a little bit of what I kind of want for the space and the process of wanting to get there. I think about it as well. So like we have a lot coming video wise. I'm gonna make quite a few things directed towards Christmas. So this is kind of like a fall to winter video that we start with the cleanup process to begin our next season, basically, of ideas and creativeness. So I hope you enjoy the video. Just sit back, just relax, and yeah, it's just kind of simplify the space until we put the more direct Christmas items in place. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Once you have removed all the fall-themed decorations, you're just gonna decorate the space with your neutralized items in places that make sense. One thing that I've been told but also use is to try to work in threes or fives. Like, you want to work in odds when you're decorating. Just, it creates a comfortable visual to the eye. Something that may help that you have noticed I've already done, but is varying the heights of your objects also helps decide the odd number and creating that visual eye interest successfully. Well, I want to thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this kind of removal of everything to do that transition from fall to winter. You see a lot of just videos putting in the decorations, but never kind of the cleanup before this next season and making that transition. So I wanted to kind of show you my kind of way of doing it. I'm interested to hear maybe down in the comments how you transition to seasons. Are you that type of person to just jump from fall like theme stuff to winterized stuff, or are you more of the hesitating or want to take your time with it? You know, let me know down in the comments. I'm always open to hearing what you guys have to say. So go ahead and leave either comments about maybe what you liked about the video. Did you like this type of video, or maybe you didn't? Let me know. Also, if you did like the video, don't forget to give that thumbs up button a press. And if you like this type of content where we just talk about different decor style, typalized things, gets our creativeness going, then don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bells just so that you know that my video comes out every Tuesday. And I hope you guys have a terrific Tuesday. I'll see you next one. Bye guys. Why did it go green? Why did it go green?